A couple of new pieces of information have surfaced around the DJI Pocket 4, and yeah, as the title hints, the launch has been delayed again. This info is coming from Photolabs and the new camera. None of it is officially confirmed, but it does help paint a clearer picture of how DJI is spacing things out behind the scenes. Now, earlier leaks had already pointed toward a dual camera setup on the Pocket 4 Pro, so that part isn't new. We also knew it wasn't targeting a January launch. There's still no FCC certification for the Pro model, which is a big tell. It usually means a product isn't close to release. So while the Pocket 4 Pro clearly exists and is in development, it doesn't look like something DJI is gearing up to launch anytime soon. And this is where things start to get a little messy. The standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4 model OP041 actually secured FCC approval in late 2025, just before stricter regulations kicked in. That means it's already cleared for sale in the US. The Pocket 4 Pro, though, would need its own certification if it uses different radios, antennas, or even a redesigned body. Without that approval, launching it in the US becomes tricky, unless it somehow shares certification with the standard model, which isn't always straightforward. Now let's talk timing. Originally, the Pocket 4 was expected in December. That slipped to January, and interestingly, that delay wasn't tied to the camera itself. Reports suggested DJI ran into issues with accessories planned alongside the launch, which likely pushed everything back. And now, based on the latest info, the Pocket 4 is expected to land after January, most likely in February, though there's still no firm date. Honestly, this doesn't feel like a red flag. It feels more like DJI slowing things down to make sure everything lines up. Hardware, accessories, software, and the overall launch window, instead of forcing it out the door. And that timing matters because DJI is already teasing something else. They've posted a teaser on Weibo for a January 15th reveal with a tagline that roughly translates to firmly occupying the main position. No details, as usual. Most signs point toward a new Ronin stabilizer, likely the RS5, with leaks suggesting better battery life, refined tracking, and smarter composition tools. So when you put all of this together, the Pocket 4 is delayed but still very much on the way. The Pocket 4 Pro clearly exists, but it's further out and still surrounded by unanswered questions. And DJI's January spotlight looks reserved for Ronin, not Pocket, which pretty strongly suggests DJI is intentionally spacing out its launches, and the Pocket series is just waiting its turn. Peace.